Hey there, planner friends. This is Amy from Beloved Plans, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a fun new subscription box that just started, and I'm super excited to have just gotten my first one. It's from a company called Jane's Agenda, and you can find them at Jane's Agenda on Instagram and social media. And they have awesome printable planner products, inserts, accessories, tons and tons of fun things. So they did start a monthly subscription box recently. So I am going to unbox my first one. I have not looked at it at all yet, so I have no idea what's in here. And you can order whatever size you use. So they have everything from A5 ring bound to I do Happy Planner Classics punched size. So my inserts or whatever's in here for my planner should be punched with that. Let's go ahead and get comfortable and we'll get started. Love the packaging. Up top here it says hello, super cute. Love these colors. Look at this gorgeous tissue paper, so beautiful. So I'm going to take this out. As often these boxes get in the way, but I love keeping these boxes and using them for giveaways and different things, and or just even wrapping up birthday presents and holiday presents and that sort of thing. They're awesome size boxes. All right, so let's peek in here and see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Yay! Gorgeousness. I love me some teal. Oh, this is fun. All right, so first up we have a mild liner. So this is a nice, pretty teal color. Love that. I can see there's like a little bit of a teal theme going on here. Here is some washi. It says, don't give up and don't give in. Oh, that's beautiful. And it's kind of like a teal marbly color. And then it's got the gold lettering on there. Here are some stunning post-it notes. Oh, these are beautiful. Her stuff is just really classic and unique and just has all sorts of different beautiful styles. So yeah, they have like some like tall grasses and things, and then teal birds. So you could, I like how there's a theme to this box, kind of a fall color theme going on. Oh, this is so again, this is punched. Let's open this up. A punched page marker here for my planner, and it has like blue foiling on it, like dark teal. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but that is beautiful, and it is punched for my classic Happy Planner. All right, so then here we have a little quote card. Fall is my favorite color. Love that. So what I'll do with these sometimes is just kind of use them for different things. I either washi tape them onto my dashboard in certain sections of my planner, or I'll punch them and just stick them in there. You could also glue them down if they go on a certain type of spread that you're doing or anything like that. Just cute little cards to have around. And here's another one that's bigger. As the seasons change, so do we. May we be aware that we are shifting just like the wind. This is very, very fitting for me personally right now, as I am doing a major career change here at the end of 2020. So I'm definitely going to be putting this on my dashboard, I think, for the next couple of months. I love that. Love the ombre colors. All right, next up, it looks like we have a couple of dashboards, or at least one here. And the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness, so many pretty things. Oh yeah, looks like we got about 2 dashboards here. Oh, so yes, so we've got like a gold foil dashboard here, so you can see how pretty like that would be taped onto there. Again, this is punched for my classic Happy Planner size. Beautiful. Love that you can just use these wherever. So there's 2 of these gold ones. If you like black, you can flip it over and use the black side too. So 2 beautiful gold dashboards there. And then this is like a vellum dashboard, it looks like. And this has another quote on there about fall. I'm so excited to use these on my different planners. So she does have a lot of really pretty vellum stuff. So yeah, this is beautiful. This could go on top of here if I wanted. It looks like it could also go, let me see what these are. Ooh, look at those colors. Oh yeah, that I think is what it's supposed to be for. Oh, that's stunning. All right, so let's check that out. One thing I love about these subscription boxes is it gives you an opportunity to try different layouts or products without having to like buy a full year's worth of that product. So it's kind of fun to just switch things around sometimes if you're looking for something new. Oh, look at all these beautiful, oh wow, Oh, those are so pretty. Oh, I totally love this one. That might be my favorite. Oh yeah, I think I'll end up using that. How fun are these? You can just mix and match and do different things. I wonder if you could put this on top. Yeah, that doesn't quite work as well. But just lots of beautiful options. And I love how they are not dated, so then you can use them whenever you want. So we've got 3 different colored dashboards that can go behind the vellum. There's a lot of good stuff in here. I was a little hesitant. This box was a little bit more than my cloth and paper one. I'll double check the price, but I want to say it was like $50 a month. But there is a lot of stuff in here. So here it looks like we have a sampler. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Like crystals every month. I'm really enjoying these boxes too when there's not a, like we're waiting for the big fall planner releases. So this kind of gives me some fun new product when I feel like I have everything I already need. All right, so this looks to be a weekly layout that they have. So, oh, this is kind of nice. I might try something like this for work stuff actually. So it just has like a little blank spot up here and then a checklist. So that's kind of cool. It's nice and compact. I love that. So it actually goes 1 week on the left side and then another. So it's actually 2 weeks at a time. 1 week on this page and 1 week on this page. So it looks like they have this going through the end of the year. Oh, that's really cool. All right, so I think I'm gonna use this for my photography business to-dos because I am coming into my busy season and this will be really awesome to just map out my different tasks that I have going on in sessions and things. Love that. Definitely gonna be using that. And here we have a fall bucket list, it looks like. Get that unpackaged. Oh yeah, I'm excited to see what this is. I'm trying to not jump to the very end right away here. All right, so we've got fall bucket list, movies to watch, books to read. Oh, look at the beautiful leaves over here. Things to do. This paper is, if you guys know plum paper at all, this feels just like it. It's like beautiful and just soft and really bright white. And then this one's just a blank one. Love that. Definitely gonna use those things. Okay, last but not least, it looks like we got a little tote bag. Oh my word. How cute is that, you guys, to put all our fun things in. Love it with the Jeans Agenda logo on there. So fun. Well, I have to say, I feel like this was a huge success. Like, I'm totally loving all the gorgeousness they have in this box. Oh, so much. And I love like the coloring, how everything coordinates together. It's beautiful. So I will post a link down below in the description if you guys want to check out the Jeans Agenda monthly subscription box for yourself. I know they're taking signups for the September box. Definitely recommend checking it out. You can cancel it anytime, or I'll have the details in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome week and happy planning.